Welcome back to my channel. You're good, Angelica Bow, with a brand new video. So happy new year. First, let's start the video right. Happy New Year, because this is the first video I'm filming of the new year. So happy New Year. Gonna be a great year this year. So today's video, you see, I'm first time to take down my Senegalese twist. But it's pretty much a 2-in-1, because I also don't, as a takedown, I also don't tell you the maintenance I did. You know, you do too much maintenance with it, with the hairstyle, but I did some maintenance with it. So the part I know you to take down these Senegalese twist, the Jamaican mango and lime braid your way, quick and easy braid takedown. This right here, I'm gonna be using take it down. Also, you do out like keep refresh and moisturize my hair. Is the Jamaican mango and lime braid your way 6-in-1 smooth and revive braid refresher. So that's what I use to, like, you know, spray on it, keep it moisturized and like revive through the whole time. So yeah, I'm excited. So we're gonna take it down. We'll probably talk a little bit and so. And also using the pot. So I actually reviewing this. There actually gonna be also a review on this and stuff, because this is my first time ever using this product. And what also first time ever using this product, because usually I don't use, when I have protector side, I usually just find like a leave-in conditioner and to put in my hair. So this is the first time actually using product that actually, you know, cater to, like, you know, weave and stuff like that. So that's like fine and so. Also I decided taking like the ends out, but I'll put this on, like, you know, the wool. But this do smell so good. Oh my, like, you can smell this product, it like smells so good. And this, gotta squeeze it into my hair. And so I'm putting it on my wools. So I'm putting it on the weave, and I'm putting this on my natural hair as well, just to get it some moisture and stuff, because my hair have not been washed in like 5 weeks, but I had this twist in for 4 weeks. So I had to twist it for 4 weeks. I haven't washed my natural hair in like 5 weeks. So with that being said, you're good, need the moisture. Bad. Like, I'm taking my time and stuff with this. Even though this don't be a fast process because it's twist, but like again, I'm taking my time with this process. Due to the fact I am trying to be staying there, and it's a winter time, so break it is still for my hair, you know, there. But other than that, yeah. Okay. It's good because I also did like braided it, so. Whew. So basically, what I use, okay. So my main is like when my hair itching, I use My Black and Beautiful Cooling Scalp Serum on my hair. This is what I use in case like my scalp was itching or something like that. It's like for dandruff, but you can use it for like protective side as well. So that's what I use to like put through the parts and my hair was itching. But I supposed to use this product for like, you know, for like washing and stuff, but I just never got the one to use it and stuff. But it'll probably be My Black and Beautiful buildup removal. It'll probably help like remove buildup and stuff while you're in a protective style. As well, you can use that on wash day too, like right before you do your wash day, get some of the buildup up. So I actually did use it, but not for this style. I did use it on my natural hair before, so I actually do like it. So it's just, for some reason, I just never got a wand to do it for this hairstyle. But yeah. But hope you so far having a great new year. I don't have no plans for this year at all. I just don't really for this year, 2024. I just don't let. I'm just going with the flow. Like, I got, you know, certain things, like, you know, continue to eat healthy, you know, get back into my fitness routine and stuff that I dislike off last year. So I definitely want to get back into that, you know. Reading more, you know, I will be like 24/7, but like, you know, they find some more good books. Like, they find good books, they read more, find good books and stuff like that, you know. They just continue my reading journey, you know. Focus on healing this year. Definitely my best part. Like I said, I'm not really doing too much, but I definitely wanted to focus on healing. Not really, I literally don't have to go, but like healing, I don't want to heal. Like every year, I think it's gonna be a healing process for me. Like you just had to continue to heal throughout, you know, life. So, oh, that's way too much. I don't need that much. Like I said, I don't have no plans for this year. Like what I had on my vision board last year, that's why I'm gonna continue this year, honestly. Like why I didn't finish last year, I did not, continue this year. But I pretty much got my stuff that I achieved. Put on my vision board last year for 2023, I actually achieved them. Like graduation, I achieved, A lot of my goals I actually did achieve. So I'm very proud of myself. So hope we got some good plans for this year. I know I don't have much planned this year. Like I said, I'm going with the flow. Honestly, I'm just letting God take over this year. Not doing too much. Like I said, I got, the basics I want to do for, my personal goal. But, plans and stuff, I really don't have none at all. I don't want to, honestly, this year, I don't want to see, what God has in store for me. I don't want to. Did I make a vision? I am making a vision. I haven't kind of finished it with it, but like I said, whatever happened on the vision board, it really no plan and stuff. I do make a monthly vision board as well as a yearly vision board. So, but at the same time, I just not really making no goals or plans for this year at all. I just want to go with the flow. See what God wants to take me this year. So my main goal with this year is let go and just let God. Honestly, that's the motto for this year. Let go and let God. So that's the plan for this year, honestly. And let go and let God. Because I noticed a lot over the years that when I try to have so much control in my life, and stuff don't go away, it just, you just want to beat yourself up and stuff. But really, God always have a plan and stuff for you and stuff like that. So I'm just really at the point in my life to let Him take full control, but Jesus take the wheel and to let Him run with it. Because at the point He can do more with my life than I can. He know me better than I know myself. He know the people I'm gonna meet, where I'm going with my future. He know how my day is gonna plan out. He know what I'm gonna do and everything. So He know everything. So why would I put so much effort in something that He already know gonna happen? So might as well to let Him do what He gotta do. But that doesn't mean say be lazy, but still be productive and stuff. But don't put so much so much so much not say that, but so much into something, and then when it fall through, and then you stop beating yourself up, because we don't want to be beating ourselves up this year. We're not perfect. We just need to cut down professionalism this year. Because I know I struggle with that. Professionalism, people pleasing, seeking validation and stuff. But honestly, either let go and let God handle it. We need validation from man. We get validation from God. That's the main person you need to get validation for. So yeah. So that's why I'm saying. But this year I'm not really doing too much. I'm just don't focus on, myself, honestly, the focus on natural hair content for you guys, or whatever content you want, but, natural this. Take care of my natural hair this year. Right? Because we better. This much water. I did got my spray bottle full of water, but honestly, I'm not using it because this really moisturizing by itself. So, But yeah, we're just gonna keep going on the process. God, we do not, because I've been rambling the whole time. It's almost 10 minutes I've been talking. And so, but we just gonna go through the whole process. But yeah, so this probably used, but so far I should do like this. Because like I said, I'm not even using water. I usually use water before I put water in my head. But the fact my cousins are coming back, and I actually put heat in it, and they're coming back a little bit. So that's a good sign. And so I'm really excited for my hair. I got a little bit shedding, not too much. But when I do my white thing, so be good. I'm waiting for my hair to go back. I did the trim. But my hair goes slow, but it's winter time, so my hair is going slow, I know. But when the summertime hit, trust me when I said the hair gonna be long. But I didn't know continue with the protective side, but then with my natural hair out, it's okay. It is so cold right now. Like, oh my god. I don't know what the temperature is right now, but it's been like in the 40s and the 50s. And that's cold for me. I'm so used to the heat. So when it get cold, it's cold. But yeah, I'm come back when I'm like done with the process and stuff, because this hair is, it don't be a while, because like some of them like actually matted together, so it's like, oh no. So we just don't, go through it, take our time with this process and whatnot. Yeah, so I'll be back when I'm fully done to show you how my hair looks. So yeah, okay, so I'm fully done with my hair, like at the 1 o'clock right now. But I put them in trays. I'm gonna go in the shower and just rinse out the product that I use. The product really good. I ain't gonna lie. The product is good, but I don't feel like it gave me the moisture that I want. I don't know. I try to do it on dry hair. Probably next time I'll use it on wet hair, like especially my hair with water, then do it. But it like moisturizes when you put it on, but it like dries. But I know it got like sunflower. I don't know. It's sunflower seed oil, coconut oil, aloe vera, and vitamin E in it. So I feel the aloe vera, but I didn't like the coconut oil and the sunflower seed oil. Probably the reason why, like, but it said like moisturize or some places, but I'm gonna moisturize and see. But I lost some hair. You don't use them. I didn't do that a lot of hair, but I left like chunks of it were coming out. But I did it the way I had it, like, braided, because I braided it, then crochet hair. I didn't. That would cause most of the, me losing hair, but honestly not a bit there, because I'm gonna do a nice deep conditioner treatment. So I need a nice deep conditioner treatment for my hair, and plus my hair naturally dry, because when it's time, so my hair is dry, so I'm not surprised I'm doing. But I only use like 3 trunks, but like not 3 trunks, but 3 like pieces. But from one section was like 1 trunk, but it wasn't that bad. I didn't do that much at all, but yeah. But this is my hair. The product was good. I get the product 4 out of 5. I guess I'm gonna try it next time with water and see if I get better results with it. But my hair is moisturizer, just not like getting curly back. But yeah, I hope you liked the video. Again, happy new year. I'll see you guys in my next video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Bye. Mwah.